In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an Airtable base in just 5 minutes. Imagine you're working on a project in Airtable and you've meticulously set up a base that perfectly fits your needs. Now you want to reuse this structure for additional projects without having to recreate it from scratch. Duplication is your best friend here, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's start by heading over to Airtable's website. You can easily do this by typing Airtable into your web browser's search bar, or just navigate directly if you have it bookmarked. Once you've reached Airtable's homepage, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the sign in button at the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the sign in page where you'll enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts on the sign up page, but let's assume you're already set up and ready to go. Once logged in, you're now on the Airtable homepage where you can see all your workspaces and bases neatly organized. A workspace is essentially a collection of bases, so look for the workspace containing the base you wish to duplicate. Click on Base to view the list of bases within that workspace. You'll find this option as you navigate through your dashboard. Now that you see your base, hover over it. On the upper right corner of the base thumbnail, there will be a three-dot icon often referred to as the ellipsis or More Options menu. Click on this icon for a drop-down menu of actions you can take with your base. Among the options provided in this drop-down, look for the option labelled Duplicate Base. Clicking this option initiates the duplication process. Airtable may prompt you to rename your duplicated base at this stage. It's a good idea to give it a descriptive name to differentiate it from other bases, especially if you plan to have multiple duplicate bases in a single workspace. Also note that extensions such as custom scripts or widgets that might have been added to the original base are duplicated as well, maintaining the functionality and structure you originally set up. And that's it, you've successfully duplicated your Airtable base. You can now go into your new base and start modifying it for your new project, knowing that you have preserved the original structure and functionality. Keep in mind that this straightforward duplication process ensures you save time and consistency across your projects. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions about Airtable or other productivity tips, be sure to check out our other videos. See you next time.